So hi guys, Big Bang Biker here. Today we are going to the Grand Canyon of India, which is called Gandikota. So it's in Andhra Pradesh, and we have close to 13 riders with me today. So this ride was planned nearly a month back, and it was still tentative because everyone were busy with their work, and even I was. So till the last moment we were still like, okay, will we be going or not? And in the end everything was set. So we have covered 140 kilometers already and 160 kilometers to go, and yeah. So if you go through the main road, right, the distance will be even longer. Rather, there is a shortcut, so please follow the Google Maps shortcut to go through this road. This will cut down the journey time by at least 1.5 hours, and you'll enjoy it a lot. So hi guys, we have covered close to 150 kilometers now, and we have taken a break in this village, and it's very dusty, and there were a lot of trucks which were going in front of us, so we thought we'll take a break and then we'll go. This is a shortcut actually, as I said, and you'll have to be careful here because there is some loose gravel and stuff like that. So this is a new kind of vlog where it's all dusty and messy. Yeah. So this is where we are. The view has been really great in this route, and we'll continue to enjoy it. So this is where we had our breakfast and tea and everything, because for 80 more kilometers you won't have any hotel or anything, and dosas were really good, and people are shocked that I'm using a camera. So let me take you inside as to where we had our breakfast. Yeah, so this is where we had, and that's the chef. So thanks to him for making us a delicious breakfast.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So we have reached the entrance of Gandikota Fort now. Yeah, we are actually going to the viewpoint, and that's the best part here. So hi guys, we have reached the destination now, and I guess you are excited to see the Grand Canyon of India. And this is how it is. Yeah, this is Grand Canyon of India, guys. Wow. So let me cover more places here and show you how it is.
Dude, come here.
Yeah, I'll come. Yeah. So the thing is, let me climb these rocks with this camera and give you a feel that even you are climbing. And maybe someday you can come visit this place. It's so underrated, man. India is beautiful, dude. Me and my subscribers are so lucky that the weather is so cool today. Everyone else who had come in the last week had to face a lot of heat from the sunlight. But yesterday it has rained, and yeah, this is how it is. If my mom asks me, was that 300 kilometers ride worth it? I'll show her this video, man. For this couple of moments in this place, it's really fucking worth it. Wow. Oh wow, dude, what the fuck? Whoa. Hey, look at that fort, dude. Oh, this is sick.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
This is not slippery, right?
No, it's not.
So this is Gandikota, guys. Kota in the sense it's a fort, and Gandhi is a place here. And you can see the fort over there clearly, which has been built, and it's still sustaining. Don't know when this was built, but wow. If you like heights, come to Gandikota. Yeah, so me and my couple of my subscribers actually we are riding in the night. As you can see, there is no street light, there is nothing, you know. We are just riding together in this pitch dark, and we are still 250 kilometers away from Bangalore. That's because one of my friend had some issue and we waited for him, and the group was split. So people who were in a little hurry left early, and we all 250cc plus bikes, we have stuck together with him, and we are coming back. So we are totally relying on our experience and riding today. So yeah, this experience is really good and people are enjoying it. All my friends are enjoying it. Yeah, it's a little scary, but it rocks, man.